Good evening, this is Jan. I'm in my kitchen and tonight I'm gonna make a typical Dutch sandwich called Uitsmijter, which is translated as bouncer. You know, like the bouncer, the guy that kicks you out of the club or the bar when you misbehave. That's the name of this sandwich, because it is said that in the old days bouncers liked to eat this sandwich quite a lot. And these are the main ingredients: eggs, cheese, some cured meat, I will come back to this later, and pickles. The first step is to toast some bread. In a preheated pan, I'll turn this bread every about 15 seconds until it's roasted just the way I want it to be. This should be just about okay. Like this. The bread is ready, it's on the board. I'm gonna put some layers of cheese on this. I'm using like 3 slices of cheese, which is quite an amount. Next up is the cured meat. I'm using roast beef, which is like a German variant of this dish. Like usually I'm using ham, or you can use like turkey ham or chicken. Ham is the most common, but I'm using this one because I want to eat some beef with it. And the next ingredient will be the pickles. And again, I will be very generous with this. I like just lay them about everywhere so that this nice acidity is going to fill up the palate. Last but not least is the eggs, the final ingredient, the most important one. As you guys can see, I made a little bit of a mess from these eggs. I put black pepper in there, thyme and parsley. Even though I made a mess of frying the eggs on the plate, they look quite okay. I will garnish this Uitsmijter with some cherry tomatoes. This is optional. I happen to like cherry tomatoes, so that's why I'm putting this stuff on top. Plus some cured sweet and sour onions. Real Dutch style, like this. It's time to eat. Now I'm very curious how this roast beef will taste with the fried egg, because usually I eat this with ham. That is nice. Here I have a bite with everything on it, so I got all the flavors. You got the saltiness of the cheese. This cheese is a kind of ripened type of cheese. The pickles give extra acidity. So do the tomatoes. Full flavored stuff. Thank you for watching. Keep on enjoying your food like I do. Bye.